go, TTT.
Alright, let's go.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Joe, are you playing?
Well,
You're ready? Come on.
I already know what I am.
You're wasting your ammo. You're out of ammo. You're out of fucking ammo.
That's it, holy shit.
Are you serious? Are we? Do we have to repick now? Wow. Jay said, pause goal.
No, just
up, eyes closed,
Oh, yeah.
face away.
Oh, you trying to get up and shit?
Dick.
I like men. Touch me, please.
Okay, Poppy. I already know.
Why is it so fucking windy?
Fuck yourself.
I felt the man's ear. Okay, nobody but terrorists. Only terrorists look up. If I tapped your hand, look up. That's it.
The Syrian regime is terrible.
Okay? Put your heads down. I'm going to tap a sheriff, so if I tap you, you're either what? Fuck, you're already terrorist. Okay, everybody, fuck you. Go.
Wait, what?
Wait, but we all know.
Zach, get over here.
Hey, I'll be your deputy. Let's go do this. Hey.
Yeah, I'll keep myself holstered. Trust fund.
Hey,
Wait,
let's go to the
who's
trust
first?
fund.
Hey, trust
Turn it.
fund.
Turn it.
Yeah, I'll go in first.
no. I swear I'm not.
You and me.
No. Connie.
Back up and leave.
Back up, walk.
Leave.
Wait, can I shoot him and say?
Yeah, you can.
No.
You can shoot him.
Why?
No, then you have this one. No.
Yes, he can.
Because I'm detective.
Leave.
I promise
Leave.
I'm not.
Get on your hands.
Go with them.
No.
Man, fuck you, bitch ass nigga.
Actually, no. Trader's true.
Wait, what? What's the trust fund?
And go.
Hey, shoot him. Shoot him.
Yeah, I think he's straight.
You're out. Hey, go ask. Jaden, go ask him.
What did I do? Jacob, are you terrorist?
Go ask him.
U.S. I did. Jacob, are you terrorist?
Yeah, we're both terrorists.
Yeah! Fuck yeah!
Oh, you know how bad that is?
Yeah, fucking leave then. Leave. All right.
As long as it's ass.
No, you can't shoot us. There was a fuck you what.
That gun is not gonna lie. I accidentally picked you as a terrorist.
Yeah, because they're
I was sweeping. I tapped 1, 2, and then my arm accidentally hit your hand, and then I tapped another one.
Hey, who is Jacob standing next to?
Dare you to fucking kill me?
Hey, I am not.
No balls. Jake was next
No,
to me.
I swear.
Yeah, I'll do it next to him.
I'll call truce. Truce.
Hey, we cuz, bro. Let's go shoot them all.
No, I'm actually not. No, I'm serious, shit. I am not a terrorist.
Well, dude, that was fucking fast reaction
know.
with both of us. I got
So
Sawyer.
Sawyer, why would I shoot Sawyer if he was a terrorist too? Can you tell me? Hey, someone's shooting over there. Hey, who's shooting?
Hey, who's shooting? Carson, drop your gun!
No, shoot him! Shoot him! Do you have the other mag?
Shit, I'm out.
Do you have the other mag?
Hey, hold this. Hold this.
Hey, ask Carson if he's a terrorist. Carson's a terrorist. Carson's a terrorist. Carson's a terrorist.
I'm sorry.
Let's go, he's reloading.
Hey, go, go. I got you covered from that one. You are?
Hey, ask him if he's a terrorist. Okay, go and shoot him.
No, it's your turn.
Let's go. Let's go. How are they both the terrorists?
Stop it, Jacob.
Hey, people.
I'm out. Jesus Christ.
Somebody call up my homeboy.
Hey, can I take one of these chips?
Nope.
Who's got that set?
Yeah, you can take
Okay.
it. Gotcha.